Hey everyone, welcome back to Talky. I'm Jennifer, and this is Kate.
Hi, everyone. We've got a fantastic lesson planned for you today. If you're looking to sound more fluent and natural in English, this is the video for you.
That's right. We're diving into phrasal verbs with take. There are so many variations, and each one changes the meaning in interesting ways. By the end of today's lesson, you'll know how to use them confidently in your conversations.
And if you're new here, or you've been enjoying our videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, along with the notification bell, so you never miss another lesson.
Let's start with takeoff. It means to leave the ground, like when a plane starts flying. For example, our flight took off at 8 a.m.
Now, once this plane took off, there was going to be no turning back.
The Ford called me before my plane took off, and I think we're in.
But wait, takeoff also has another meaning. It can mean to leave suddenly, like, he took off after the meeting. See? One verb, two meanings.
I think I'm going to take off.
So one day, he took off.
That's the magic of phrasal verbs. Now let's talk about take on. It means to accept responsibility or a challenge. Like, I'm going to take on more projects at work this year.
Then the time come for you to be your own man and take on the world, and you did.
Yeah. Take on can also mean to confront or face someone, especially when you are ready for a challenge. For example, she's not afraid to take on her biggest competitor. This means she is ready to face her strongest opponent and isn't scared of the challenge. So, when you take on someone or something, it means you are ready to deal with it confidently.
He also paid me $100 to take on Stevens.
Oh, and don't forget take up. This means to start a new hobby or activity. For example, I've recently taken up painting. So Kate, have you taken up anything new lately?
Actually, I've taken up running. It's tiring but fun.
Some of us take a piano.
What about you guys? Have you taken up any new hobbies recently? Drop a comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear what you're up to.
And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying the lesson so far. It really helps support our channel and brings you more cool content like this.
Next up, we have take over. This means to assume control or responsibility for something. Like, I'm going to take over the project while my manager is on vacation.
Well, I could take over as you for a bit until you feel refreshed.
Or it could mean to dominate. For example, a small company can sometimes get taken over by a larger one. It's like one thing becomes in charge of the other.
Dr. Blake was trying to take over by controlling your minds through television.
Now, here's a useful one, take back. It means to return something. For example, I need to take back this shirt because it doesn't fit.
Whatever you bought, you can take back, and you're gonna take it back.
But take back can also mean to withdraw something you've said. Like, I didn't mean it. I take back what I said. It's all about correcting or undoing something.
Well, I suppose I better take back everything I just said.
All right, last one, take apart. This means to disassemble something. For example, he took apart the old radio to see how it worked.
I'm going to take apart the refrigerator and figure out what's making that noise.
Or it could mean to criticize someone or something harshly like, the critics really took apart that new movie. You're breaking it down into pieces, but not in a nice way.
You think you can come in here and take apart my life without any trouble?
That's 6 different phrasal verbs with take. But, of course, there are many more. Which ones do you use the most? Comment below and let us know. Now it's time to practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct phrasal verb using take. Ready? Number 1. I decided to. Yoga to help me relax after work. 2. The plane is scheduled to. At 9 a.m. tomorrow. Number 3. She couldn't handle the pressure, so I had to. The project. 4. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings.
Hi.
What I said. 5. He. The laptop to see if he could fix it. And last one. My company is planning to. A smaller competitor this year.
How did you do? Now let's check the answers. 1. I decided to take up yoga to help me relax after work. 2. The plane is scheduled to take off at 9 a.m. tomorrow. 3. She couldn't handle the pressure, so I had to take over the project. 4. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I take back what I said. 5. He took apart the laptop to see if he could fix it. 6. My company is planning to take over a smaller competitor this year. That's all for today, guys. We hope you found these phrasal verbs helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll start using them naturally in no time.
And remember, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to Talky, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another lesson. We've got plenty more exciting topics coming your way. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also learning English. It's more fun when we all learn together, right?
And if you have any suggestions for what we should cover next, let us know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and have fun with your English. Bye everyone.
Thanks for watching Talky today. Learning English the fun, easy way. Hit subscribe, don't